F and Sharp presents How to Cut Acorn Squash in a Simple Recipe. We're going to use the chef's knife for this. We need the extra leverage. Squash is not the easiest to cut through, but if you take your time, be careful, be very aware of what you're doing, and use some gentle force, you can get right through it. Just go ahead and work back and forth until you feel comfortable that you can get some extra leverage on it, slice right on through. We're going to take the tip of the knife and go right into a circle about 45 degrees. You can rework it as many times as necessary to remove all of those seeds and a little bit of that stringy pulp. Go ahead and slice the acorn into what would be maybe like a half a moon shape. And then we're going to season those slices up simply with some salt and pepper, go down with a little olive oil, a foil-lined baking sheet, and into the oven at 450 degrees for about a half an hour. It could take about 45 minutes. You just want to test here and there, make sure that it is fork tender. Once it is fork tender, we're just going to go ahead and take some maple syrup, drizzle that over each one of those slices, and then we'll go down with some blue cheese. You can use gorgonzola or your favorite cheese if you like, just something that would pair nicely with that maple syrup and the sweet acorn squash. Your favorite nut will do. These are some almonds, they smoked almonds actually, and then back into the oven just for a little bit to get everything all happy. Visit fandsharp.com.